Greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. Friends, today we are going to discuss how to increase professional practice by acquiring more and more expertise on IQ and EI, emotional intelligence, and increasing EQ. ये विषय इसलिए इम्पोर्टेंट है कि इन आवर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी we do not read about IQ, EQ, but these are the foundation, these are the pillars for the success of a human being and for we as a success of a chartered accountant. So let me first deal with IQ, the intelligence quotient. Now, what is an intelligence? The intelligence in a normal sense, like in a professional circle, we have a very, very successful chartered accountants. We feel that by looking at the case, within 5 minutes, they give an answer, or within 2 minutes, they give an answer. So the intelligence is a skill to apply the logic, to apply the understanding, the problem solving, critical thinking, creative way of, say, take for example, suppose there is a matter in IBC, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. Now, an intelligent chartered accountant will look at who has made an application, what is the amount. So creditor has filed an application against debtor, corporate debtor, and say we are representing corporate debtor. Then how this can be resolved, how there can be a negotiation, mediation with that person, settling the claim rather than going through all the hassle and taking a company to the committee of creditors. So there the intelligence will apply. Another way, another chartered accountant may say, okay, we will deal with this matter in NCLT. So the IQ, the formula for IQ is intelligence of a person divided by the chronological age. जैसे एज भी दो तरह की होती है, chronological age and biological age. Chronological age is the actual age of a person, the years and days and months for which a person has lived. And biological age is what is the age a person looks like. So a person of 70-year-old, if that person looks like 40 years young, then the biological age is 40 and chronological age is 70. So IQ can be enhanced by the reading, by attending seminars, by having a discussion with experts, by start writing. When I discuss with the members, they say कि हमने कभी लिखा नहीं है. अरे भाई, भगवान ने हमें ऐसा ऐप दिया है जो इतना पावरफुल है, उसके सामने सारे ऐप फेल हैं. लेकिन जब तक हम ऐप को खोलेंगे नहीं, उस सॉफ्टवेयर को यूज नहीं करेंगे, सो माइंड इज अ सॉफ्टवेयर. एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स, like in one of the video I have discussed what is the power of a subconscious mind. So if I say I am very intelligent without an ego, as a self-esteem, then my performance will be different. But if I tell my subconscious mind that I am a failure, then my performance will be different. So IQ and another thing of increase of IQ is start using social media, which I have done in last 4 months. So I have made an acronym for, there are many platforms, but 12 I give a significance. FIT, LBW, PQ, Y, OBA. So FIT is Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. LBW is LinkedIn, blog, Quora, question and answer platform. PQY is LPW is a LinkedIn, blog and website. PQW is a podcast, Quora, PQY and YouTube channel. And then OBA is, there are online platform where we can put our articles. B is we start writing books and A is we start writing articles. दोस्तों मुझे बिलीव करो, हर चीज हम कर सकते हैं. The supreme power universe has made each one of us. He has 7 billion जो 700 करोड़ लोग इस वर्ल्ड में हैं, सबको इक्वली एफिशिएंट ऐप दिया है. और एंड वी कैन डू, बट फर्स्ट वी हैव टू बिलीव इन आवर माइंड. जो चीज हमने माइंड में कभी सोची नहीं है, वो हमारी लाइफ में कभी भी नहीं होगी. देन आई कम टू EQ, द इमोशनल क्वोशेंट, और EI, emotional intelligence. Now, what is an emotion? The emotion is the expression of the feeling. So, the awareness, the EI, emotional management, or emotional intelligence use is done when we are aware of our feelings and we control our feeling. ACE, awareness, control and expression. Now, I divide emotions into 6 main categories, and those are the happiness, sadness, fear, disgust, anger, and surprise. So I made an acronym, happy for daughter, HFD-SAS. So happiness, fear, disgust, sadness, anger, and surprise. These are mainly 6, but then there are other subsets of emotions. So emotional intelligence, is very important for interpersonal relationship. When we deal with our team members, when we deal with our superiors, when we deal with our subordinates, within family, the emotion management, when we are dealing with the spouse, with the children, with the parents, so we need to understand their emotions, and we need to understand our emotions also. So feeling is what we feel inside. Inside now, I'm very thrilled, very happy. But the expression has to be a reasonable, appropriate to the occasion. So always having a smile on the face, like when I talk to members, जैसे आप लोगों ने मुझे सुना होगा, I always say I am super happy. Today I am, flying in the sky. Now, whoever has listened to me says, Mr. Adukia, we wanted to listen this only. राजकुमार, तुम हमेशा ऐसा ही बोलते हो. तो this, by saying this itself, we tell our subconscious mind कि I am very happy, I am very successful, I am very intelligent. As a self-esteem, like self-esteem, we should have 100% self-esteem. There's a thin line of difference between self-esteem and proud. So we should not cross that line of self-esteem, which becomes a proud, which becomes an ego. So friends, I want each one of us to be super, super, super successful, because the God has given, one book which I keep on referring, Science of Getting Rich. There's enough wealth in the universe, enough work in the universe, that each one of us, 330,000 chartered accountant within our country, and 110,000 in the western region, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Goa, because I belong to the western region, Mumbai being my Karam Bhumi. So friends, keep on succeeding. There is no limit for success. Enjoy, and do let me know on which topic I should make video. You like the my video, subscribe and share with your friends whom you want that this video will make the difference. Thank you for your spending time with me and listening to me. Thank you.